Honorable Minister.
Erizuba Parlamenti yashtamashahi na zakasheshe okutanaho n'inshitame za buriju eziri kukorwa shaha munana okubasa ku bana batandika gukora imirimo yabo bituna bwa nyuma orukura orubajo rukakanisa government kwimuka kugamba nukwe kushaba barkwebembera bona kushohoro mu ishenjero ubwe bagumeze ngo tubarkwija kurinda itekeri rekahinguzo bwa kugira ngo neremeso bwabe bw'abantu.
When you bring a bill here, you should give it time for people to have their input. But you are saying, we don't want your input, we are going to pass the bill as is. That's why, Right Honourable Speaker, you did not rein in on the committee to give adequate time to the stakeholders. That means this is pretentious, this is a sham for these two bills, the UPDF Amendment Bill and the Political Parties Amendment Bill. So, Right Honourable Speaker, myself, together with my colleagues, we are hard pressed to participate in this sham process. So we shall leave you here to participate in your sham process, to process your bill, pretending that you are getting the input of the people of Uganda and yet not. Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I will take my leave because I don't want to participate in this sham process. Thank you.
Item 4 on the order paper.
Honourable members, you recall that on Wednesday, 14th May 2025, Honourable Nakut Faith tabled the private members bill, the Political Parties Amendment
Procedure.
Bill 2025.
Procedure.
For the first reading.
Procedure.
Yes, Jonah. Honourable members, can we have free sitting? Can we have free sitting?
Ebiri kugenda misho ishenjero ryagumizamo n'imirimo yaryo kandi chairman w'akaciko k'ishenjera k'amateka nuko kwanjura birezi obwari kushoma impinda hinduke zikozurwe kandi bwanyuma zaganirwaho mu ishenjero.
I'm getting from you. I beg to move that the bill entitled the Uganda People's Defence Forces Amendment Bill 2025 be read for the first time.
Na bwanyuma bakozere arupota erukutanaho nejo ekozurwa kaciko nuko kamwe bahaye impinda hinduke zine kukorwa ezirumo kwihamo okozesubwa kw'abantu ba buriju omukoti y'amahena n'ebindi.
Kakati kitegeeza tebakyasobola kumala gajja ne bakwata nti oyina akakofiira kaddugavu oyina akakofiira just kakala myufu kateeka okubaako logo ya UPDF serial number n'ebyefaananyirizaako bwe bityo.
Ekyakirimu n'okugira ngu tuestablishingireho aganda mahe katugambe nk'aba special forces SFC ebiretari mu kiragiro konka twantwenda ngu nayo ezo mu kiragiro emanywe kandi turebe okwera ategekwe n'okwera irukanganisi twataho n'aba veterans ebiragiro byabo bibiri bitari clear ebyo nabyo twantubitereza kureba ngu ba veterans abantu abazirwanireho inabantu abazirwanireho for instance abo bagizire ngo abakwenda kushohora kurwumahe mushohore konka they are veterans konka tihari hiteka reka okubara abareberera
Korende kuzwara orurwembuzi engo niza kurya mbwenu nkenda mwe harebi ekindi kora botara umusirikare hariho enamambi ayive kwiba okwita omuntu niyo kuye cyagare cyakorwa enamejo girigemo akoba kwatoro mu namambi oyinemo basirikare baza kuteka tayangu ni uri umusirikare.
Zimwe hampinda hinduke zakorwa harimo ngo muntu wa buriju orashangwe na nebikwato by'amahe ebirumwe imbundu ebijwaro by'amahe ningo kokora umushangwa na n'abasirikare ogwe natwarwa mu koti y'Kinyamahe chairman wa koti y'amahe ayino kubarya hidara ry'abaramuzi bahaye koti kandi naija kuba narondwa commander in chief obwari kuyambwaho abaramuzi ba koti nkuru abaramuzi ba kotegi bine kuba barya abanyamahe kandi bashomere biragiro okwika hidara ry'abaramuzina n'ibindi binji. Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.